morning, everyone. It's me again. Pardon me if I look like this because I just woke up 15 minutes ago and I just decided to share with everyone what I plan to do for today, and that is to do my hair. Okay, a DIY hair straightening with this one and see if it really works. Okay. To give you an idea, I I have a naturally curly hair, and once every 8 to 1 year I have hair treatment done. But since COVID happened, gipit ko. Char. Okay, budget. And so I decided to why not try doing it myself. Diba? Praktikalan. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Excited go, and I hope it works. So this is the product that I'll be using for today. It's called Straight Glat. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. And then for professional use only daw siya, but since wala tayong mag-budget, so magpaka professional for today. And yeah, so this one again, I bought this for 115, but it's actually very cheap, so affordable. Okay, so inside, let me show you what's inside. There are two pockets inside this box. This one, which is a neutralizing balm. Okay, let's check later what's this for. And another one is this one. This is the hair straightener. Okay, so I will be using these two packs for my hair. Okay, and just carefully follow the instructions given, and I will show you the result later. Okay, so I just shot my hair, and now it's time to so I here inside finished blow drying the hair, and now it's time for the straightener. Let's do this. Siya after just a blow dry. This is what I got. Amazing. For only 115 baht. Wow. Well, It's worth the money. So, what do you say? It's worth it. It's more than worth it. So, you should try it. It's nice. Bye-bye. That's all for today.